Looking for the best camping stools? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 camping stools on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. TravelChair, Slacker Chair. Reliable choice, offers a combination of reinforced jacquard polyester fabric. Steel frame has been coated with durable powder to prevent rust and corrosion from weather. Lightweight structure makes this stool simple to carry and travel with. Available in various colors, such as black, blue, green, and red. This chair offers optimal comfort on 3 legs and tucks away neatly when not in operation. Heavier and bulkier than some of the other models on this list. At number 2. ALPS Mountaineering, Tri-Leg Portable Stool. Tri-leg design crisscrosses in order to ensure a supportive yet space-saving stand. When traveling, simply fold up the stool and slide it into the included carrying bag. Bag includes a strap that users can place on their shoulder without weighing them down. An excellent option for those searching to hike or take photography while camping. With a carrying strap and polyester seat, this is a sturdy model that includes all the required fundamentals for a portable stool. Has a smaller seat than some customers had expected. At number 1. Triple Tree, Folding Camping Stool. Structural design supports a hefty amount of weight while remaining comfortable to sit on. Stainless steel frame ensures that the stool remains sturdy and durable in an assortment of surfaces, from flat to rougher. Oxford fabric resists tearing while remaining soft and comfy. Built-in storage bag can hold additional accessories. This set of stools unfolds to allow users a side pocket for storage in addition to a comfy seat for recreation. Does not have an option to lock into place when opened. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.